Well, Cat, I guess my phone just froze. This phone is junk. It's only a $25 phone from DG. And it's busted. It's busted bus. Oh, yeah. Damn. Oh, I'm gonna. What are you tangled up on? Gosh dang it. I don't know. I might have to reload that pole. It's been out there a while now. I feel like an hour? Something like that. Anyways, let's get it reeled up. Damn it. How did I do it again? I just untangled it. I swear. I swear to God. Alright, let's see here. Follow up the line. Get a nice good old shrimp on there. We're going to take a seat. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. It's my new, it's not really new. But I've been saying a lot these past past year, really. Oh yeah, I gotta switch the hook back out. I ain't catfishing with this damn thing. Oh, I caught it on a 3/0 hook. That's what I normally fish pike with. It's the second time I've done that this year. I know it's possible, I know. But I like using my circle hooks as I'm bumping my pole, so I can't tell if it's actually getting hit. Keep my string in there, just in case I go to make one. I actually had to go remake at least, I think there's 5 or 6 of them that I had to redo. You know, my steel leader, triple swivel, with the sinker at the bottom, setups. I had to go remake some. Well, if I had to sell those motherfuckers, I'd sell them for like $10 or $15 a pop, depending on the sinker size. Maybe even more. I don't know where you guys are gonna be at. I can adjust you here in a minute. Alright, pen and nuts. Going fishing. Man, that was crazy. Booyah! Bow, chicken, wow, wow. Oh yeah, we're gonna reel this one. I'm gonna redo it. I don't think there's a shrimp on. There is. We just got snagged. So we're probably gonna lose this one. Oh. Yeah, not a single shrimp on there. I knew it. water on my hands and sanitizer on me at home. Or alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Could just pour some beer on it. Then again, I don't even know. What's the matter? As long as it doesn't get infected, you're good. Just getting toughened up. That's all. And just stick your hand back in that fish's mouth. It don't matter. Your hands heal up eventually. There we go. Alright, back to good old fishing. Huh. Got me good though. I had to bring the old brown coat back out, the old homeless coat. This thing's warmer than hell. It's a damn Carhartt. Oh shit, I was gonna adjust you guys. I just don't want to run out of room, so if I run out of room, I might have to delete one of these. What's just gonna suck. I don't know, I can't see the other pole. It might be, yeah, it looks like it's in there. Only, I think at the 20-minute mark, I'm gonna stop it. Put my worms up. Yeah, I gotta go figure out how to get a better phone. Fix the one, my old one. My old one had all kinds of room in it. But of course, the screen had to go whoop-de-doop. Give up on it, man. I don't know what's going on, Cat Nuts. I've only had one beer. It takes me forever to drink a beer, and that's how I like it. Oh. one wasn't mine. I didn't bump the post. Something else bumped it. Big ass fish splash in the distance. We might have something going on here. That's twice new. Oh, the catfish are wild tonight. Went for it to really grab it. And I feel like they're just testing it. Hear that? I don't know what's going on. I might just start reeling it in. Oh yeah, right there, right there. Come on, you ain't got another 10. Damn it, they're not there. They're just playing with it.